Welcome back. We are in the algebra course and we are on word problems. Problems 1, 2, and 3 were in the last video, and we're ready to do problem 4. Timothy spent a total of $68 at Macy's. Total of $68. His purchases included a pair of jeans at $32 and 2 t-shirts at $T each. And they want us to find the price of one t-shirt. So in this problem, we know that he goes to Macy's, that he buys t-shirts and a pair of jeans, and that the total was $68. So total is 68. We know the price of the jeans was 32. We know that and means add. And we know that he bought 2 t-shirts. So 2 T's plus $32 was $68. And I do want to remind you that sometimes on exams, this is all you have to find. You just have to set the problem up. But since this class is mostly to teach you how to solve problems, I'm going to go ahead and finish that too. So 2t plus 32 is 68. This was his constant total, and this was the variable. So I'm going to move the 32. I encourage you to use your calculator. Don't make a mistake because of your subtraction. Divide your coefficient through both terms. So one t-shirt, which is what we were asked to find, is $18. One t-shirt, $18. Okay. A meteorologist measured the average rainfall in cities A and B. Both cities together, I should say, received 11 inches rainfall total. While City A received 8 inches of rain, City B experienced 3 times the amount of A. Find the amount of rainfall for each city. Okay, a minute ago, A, B, and C represented dollar amounts for people in a problem. In this particular problem, A and B represent cities, and that's an example of variance, of varying from problem to problem. So A and B together, 11 inches of rain. So here is the total part. The city A, they tell me, is just A. So city A is A inches. I'll just put a little A under there. And city B is 3 times A. So we're going to say 3 times A. And that all together equals 11. So this short little equation, this one's going to take very little time to solve, has variables on the left, because we have 1A plus 3A, and together that makes the constant 11. So let's combine the a's. 1a plus 3a is 4a, and that's 11. So 4. So a is 11 divided by 4. And let's use the calculator. I just about made a mistake by doing this in my head. So A is 2.75. That's city A. Let's go ahead and mark this. And then for city B, they tell me that B was 3 times A. So we're going to say 3 times the 2.75, and that's 8.25 for city B, and that's the other part of this equation. B is 8.25, A is 2.75. And if you add those two numbers together, you better get your constant, or something is wrong. So if you add those together, you do get 11. And so we know that our problem is good. Okay, I'm going to stop this video. I'll see you in the next one for problem number 6.